what we'll cover in this series. Now, let's talk about what exactly we're going to cover in this series. I've structured everything in a very organized way so beginners can follow easily and intermediate developers can also pick up new ideas along the way. 1. Front-end UI/UX design. We'll look at how to create a clean, responsive, and modern interface. You'll see how to design React components, manage state properly, and organize pages in a professional way. 2. Backend architecture and APIs. We'll go through the complete backend flow, including REST API design, the role of controllers, router structure, practical use of middleware, proper error handling techniques. 3. We'll cover JWT tokens, password hashing, protected routes, and the full login sign-up logic. You'll learn how to build a secure authentication system completely from scratch. 4. Automatic timetable generation. This is the most important part of the project. We'll explore how the system reads teacher availability, subjects, classes, and timings to generate a clash-free timetable. You'll get a complete breakdown of the entire logic, step by step. 5. Database design and optimization. We'll discuss database schemas, relationships, and the overall structure. You'll understand the purpose of each field, each collection, and how everything connects together. 6. Real-world best practices including professional folder structure, efficient coding patterns, reusable components, API security, deployment preparation. These practices help you become a professional developer, not just someone who writes code. Why this video is important for you? The main purpose of this video is to help you understand not just how things work, but also why they work that way. For example, why was this function used? Why is this endpoint designed like this? Why is this validation necessary? What role does this specific line of code play in the system? And if we remove this line, what kind of issues will it create? I'll explain every concept in a way that leaves no confusion in your mind. My goal is that you don't just follow this project blindly, but truly understand it, so you can confidently build your own projects in the future. Who should watch this? This series is perfect for you if you're learning the MERN Stack, you want to strengthen your portfolio, you want to build a complete real-world level project, you need a solid project for job interviews, or you simply want to take your app development skills to the next level. What you'll achieve after this series, by the end of this series, you will know how to build a real-world MERN project, understand authentication, authorization, and security, learn how to design professional backend APIs, learn how to build automated systems, and most importantly, you'll gain the confidence to develop industry-level projects. This is not just a tutorial, this is a complete learning journey for you.